part of the idea of the project is to try to confront history, even if that is something that contradicts the way we think about landscape and the way we think about ourselves. The project tries to look at the landscape more deeply and try to unpick ideas about ourselves that we embed in the landscape. And it tries to provide a framework that we can then take those ideas and think about landscape in a more holistic way to embed new ideas and new possibilities within it as the future comes. It thinks about landscape in light of Brexit in the way that the landscape is funded through a lot of EU money, and the way that the legislation works is intertied with the EU. And it kind of looks at Brexit as an opportunity to readdress the way that we've looked at the landscape, because a lot of our ideas are embedded in this legislation, which is now all being torn apart. And although Brexit's terrible, it's suddenly a chance that we can then think about the stagnant ways we've looked at legislation in the past and maybe think there are better ways of doing this in the future.